Whispers of mechanical might and hidden flaws swirl around the Scania R Series, a truck celebrated worldwide for its prestige, yet not without its share of challenges that owners and operators have faced across decades of evolution. Introduced in the mid-2000s as a successor to the 4 Series, the R Series immediately became a flagship model in the heavy-duty truck segment, earning praise for its comfort, advanced technology, and powerful engine. But behind its reputation, certain weaknesses have been consistently discussed, making it a machine of both admiration and caution. The early generations of the R Series, particularly between 2004 and 2009, suffered from electrical system complexities that often led to frustrating breakdowns. Operators noted issues with wiring harnesses, ECU malfunctions, and sensor failures, problems that could ground a truck for extended repairs. The SCR emission system, introduced with Euro 4 and Euro 5 compliance, also presented difficulties, with AdBlue injector blockages and pump failures proving costly. Even the mighty V8 engines, such as the 580 and 620 horsepower options, while renowned for power, came under criticism for high fuel consumption, compared to rivals like Volvo FH or Mercedes ACT. As updates arrived, including the Euro 6 R Series from 2013 onwards, improvements were made in emissions reliability and cab refinement, but weaknesses still lingered. Many drivers highlighted clutch wear on manual versions and costly maintenance schedules, particularly when compared to competitors with longer service intervals. Turbocharger failures, oil leaks, and gearbox electronic control glitches were also common topics in long-term ownership reports. The R Series is known for delivering incredible torque, with engines ranging from 13-liter inline-sixes to the iconic 16.4-liter V8, producing up to 730 horsepower. But this immense power comes with equally immense running costs, making it a challenging truck for smaller operators. In today's market, the latest generation R Series, priced from around $150,000 to over $200,000, depending on configuration, stands among the most expensive heavy-duty trucks available. While unmatched in driver luxury and engine heritage, it competes against rivals offering similar performance with slightly lower operating costs. Comparisons often put the Volvo F16 or Mercedes-Benz Actros ahead in terms of efficiency and service accessibility. Though neither carries the prestige or emotional connection of the Scania badge, the Scania R Series is thus both a dream and a dilemma, blending unmatched heritage with technical challenges that remind us no machine is flawless. If deep dives into legendary trucks spark your curiosity, join us, share your thoughts, and become part of our community where true passion for machines never ends.